I will introduce 11 compound vowels. E. E is like cat or head. Oh, attach small bar, then attach Y. Ye. Ye. Yes. Yellow, like yeah. Next one, E. E. Oh, it is same sound? Yes, right. It is almost same. You know, there is slight difference between the first A and this E, but even Korean cannot distinguish between them. So you can just think it is the same one. So, E, same sound. E is like bad or sad. Yeah. Yes, it is same as the previous one. Yeah. Same sound. Yeah. Yes. Yellow. Yeah sound. Oh, and then the combination of O and A, so it became wa. Wa. It's like wow. Wa. Oh, it's combination of O and E. Way. Way. It's like wait. Way. Oh, it is combination of O and E, but it's not OE. No, it is just we sound. Previous one, yes, right, same sound, almost same, but you can think just it is same sound. So, we is like wait. Combination of U and O, it is wa. Wa. Like wonder, wa. Water, war. Like this, wa. It is combination of U and E, we. We. Oh my gosh, these triple are same sound. We. Wait, way, way. And this is combination of U and E. We. Yes, right. We. It is like we or weak. We sound. Next one is 의. 의. It is like we, right? We, right? 의. Good job, guys. And the next round is about 5 double consonants.